After 2 days of hectic parleys and angry flare-ups, Mulayam Singh Yadav seems to have been able to broker in what appears to be an uneasy peace between his brother and his son. Hours after another round of meeting with Akhilesh Yadav and Shivpal Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav addressed a press conference and announced that the family and the party were united and there were no differences. Spelling out what seems like a peacekeeping formula, Mulayam Singh Yadav announced that Akhilesh will remain Chief Minister for now, has the complete control of his cabinet, but made it very clear that Ram Gopal Yadav will stay out of the party. The Samajwadi Party Supremo also maintained his stand on Amar Singh, claiming his name should not be dragged into the controversy.
हमारे परिवार एक है, पार्टी एक है।
यानी जो अखिलेश जी का
पार्टी एक है, परिवार एक है, पूरे कार्यकर्ता, पूरे नेता एक हैं।
और शिवपाल जी ने कल अखिलेश जी को झूठा कहा, ये मंत्री बनेंगे दोबारा, एक सवाल हाँ या ना बस, ये अखिलेश जी सरकार में जा रहे हैं।
जब बहुमत आ जाए मुख्यमंत्री पर
It appears to be a rather uneasy truce at this stage. Hemendra and Javed Ansari join me for more on this story. Hemendra, for the moment, it appears to be an uneasy truce, but have they been able to actually paper over their differences, or are they only saying that together their hearts haven't yet met?
Well, as you said, it appears that their hearts haven't yet met. But let me first take you to the press conference. What happened in the press conference? In fact, Mulayam Singh Yadav came and started the press conference by reading out from a written statement. And in the question-answer session, he said that on the question of whether the 4 sacked ministers, including Shivpal Yadav, would be taken back, he said that he leaves the question entirely on the Chief Minister. And also he said that if Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, whether he would be the Chief Minister candidate, he said that has to be decided only once the party wins a majority. And I have with me our executive editor, Mr. Javed Ansari. Sir, what is the key takeaway from this press conference?
Look, if this press conference was meant to clear some of the cobwebs, it failed miserably. In fact, it ended up creating more confusion. And I am of the view now that every time Mulayam Singh speaks, he either by design or inadvertently ends up, rather than resolving issues, creating further issues. It was evident soon after the press conference as Akhilesh supporters started, agitating here, demanding that justice be done. This question of whether Akhilesh will be projected or not was settled a week ago after initially Mulayam Singh said that no, the MLAs will decide, but later on he instructed Kiranmoi Nanda, the Vice President, to come and clarify that no, it will be fought under Akhilesh's name. So why reopen that question? As far as the question of the larger question of the return of the sacked ministers is concerned, he did the right thing by saying it's the prerogative of the Chief Minister, let it come from him, let him decide. He's aware of the sentiments of the people. So Mulayam Singh, perhaps not totally in control of at least all his faculty, because sometimes he tends to swallow words, trip over words, and he ends up saying stuff that he doesn't actually mean. We saw that yesterday. He managed to effect a rapprochement where Akhilesh bent down and touched his feet and that of his uncle, and they hugged and kissed, and there were tears and smiles and everything, and everybody thought that it was resolved, till suddenly that issue of that letter came up, totally uncalled for. It just threw everything into the open. So even today he ended up doing the same.
So would you call it a truce, because Akhilesh Yadav was not present there?
I still believe that there is some kind of a truce has been effected. How durable, how long lasting, we don't know. Because soon after the press conference, his supporters were outside here agitating. And the divisions are so stark that it will take a lot more than just, sharing a meal for the warring factions to come together.
So there you see, Gaurav, as Javed is pointing out, you really don't know for how long this truce is going to last.
Okay.